All right, guys. Welcome to the first day of online instruction. And let's see, it's been a month off, so hopefully we still remember our basics. We're going to focus on the main standards that we have to cover for the rest of the year, the ones that will apply to next year and beyond. For Math 1, we're just going to finish our Unit 5, Unit 6. For Math 2 Plus, we're going to do Unit 5, focus on that. It's our geometry trig unit. And by the end of the year, we'll also revisit probability and some aspects of Unit 6. Okay, so your grades aren't going to go down. I need you to show effort. I'm going to show you how you can complete that task of showing effort, giving a good effort here. Your grades won't go down, but I do need to see some effort from all y'all. If I see you dropping off, I'm going to contact you and see what's going on. So we'll start by taking a look at Emoto. This is the link for today. I'm just putting it up. I'm going to record this video and then throw it up on YouTube for you. After that, I'm going to have an open Zoom time from 11:30 to 12:30 today. This is just going to be a way for us to check in occasionally. Okay, so occasionally you'll see an announcement on Emoto each day. There may be one that has a Zoom link for you to join our meeting. So here's the Zoom link right here. You can click on this from a computer and go right into the meeting. Okay, it's going to be, the video is going to be off and your audio is going to be muted right when you come in, so you don't have to worry about getting your nice pair of sweatpants and pajamas. You can wear whatever you want. Okay, so if you just have an iPhone, you can click on or dial this number for FaceTime, enter this password, and that's the way you can access these meetings through your phone. All right. So let's look at this document here, and I am going to be updating it onto a Google Drive. It will be every day. This will be linked, and it is view only. So you can see here that it has my office hours. It has the assignments, and actually this is Math 2 Plus assignment. Down here, this is going to be the Math 1 assignment. So it's all going to be on one page for you to access. You can see here that it has a lesson, it has a topic, it has a standard. This is the Khan Academy link, and these links here are really helpful. These links have videos, they have all these different lessons that you can access. It has practice problems that tells you how to correct your errors if you have any. So this would be starting actually on distance formula. I'll reboot this to have distance formula first. But with this, you can look at the videos, you can look at some practice problems. All right, Con, quiet. Here's some practice problems. It gives you like 7 problems. What I like about this is that if you make a mistake, it knows the common mistakes and it tells you how to adjust, okay? So we are going to have midpoint and distance formula as one key aspect of Math 2 Plus this week, okay? And, this is going to be kind of a grace week because we're getting started with this. So the first week may be at a slightly slower pace. I may go into next week if we need it. Now, here's the thing. I am not going to make it as if you have to be in my class online at some exact time or you miss out, okay? All my instruction is going to be using Khan and some other tools I throw in here and there. I may put in a guest lecture here and there. But basically, Monday, here's like the week. So look at our week schedule here. Monday, you're going to just check in on Emoto and see what your assignments are. So, anytime on Monday, you can check in, get started in your assignments. Spread them out over the week. So at these different times when you can check in and have office hours, you can come in with different types of problems. I'm going to go ahead and organize them in a way that you could then access them later. So with this assignment, there would be YouTube problem reviews for these practice problems. Okay, so you're going to access Edmodo. You're going to look at all the problems from Khan Academy, and then the assignment, the workbook assignment, will be posted on Edmodo for that day as well. Okay. Now, if you were in my Math 1 class, you started the assignment on Monday. You get to Tuesday between 10 and noon, you could check in with me. Wednesday from 12:30 to 2 p.m. you could check in, and Thursday from 10 to noon you could check in. Okay, so there's 3 days through the week where you can check in and double check if you're not sure about these assignments. Now, I know that some of you are aces and you'll be able to go through this without checking in. That's okay, as long as I see you're doing the Khan Academy work, you're completing all the problems, you're doing the homework assignments, then that's just fine. Okay, I'm not going to be collecting the homework. I'm going to be looking at Khan for energy points, which I'll talk about in a second. But basically, whenever there's an assessment, I'll have the assessment where you input the number of homework assignments you've done. And if you've done the Khan Academy, okay? So let's see. If I were to go back to the Khan Academy, that's not it. Go back to Khan, and you look here. As I do problems, this is gonna be wrong. I'm gonna say it's this. You could go ahead and check. Okay, so I look here. Oh, great work! I did it. All right, and now as I'm doing this, and maybe I get to the midpoint formula. I'm starting to watch the midpoint formula. What's going to happen here is, where's my energy points? I need my energy points. 3, -4. All right. So as you work through these problems, what's going to happen is, I don't know why it's not listing right now, but at the top, it's going to have energy points. You gain energy points by doing the Khan steps here. So what I need you to do with Khan Academy, it's free. You see how I'm logged in here? I need you to make an account, okay? I need you to make an account, and I'll be adding your account later. The account's just going to help me see if you've completed the problems, okay? And I'll have more info on that later. But just go and make an Khan Academy account. And what else do I have here? Let's see. Once you get all this done, you can also, if you needed more help, other than Tuesday to Thursday, by email, you can make an appointment. I'll likely group a couple of students from each class, and we'll have a group appointment time. It'll be first come, first serve. So if you get a lot of students that are available at 10, they are Math 1, then that'll be the Math 1 spot, okay? But it's like 2 hours here, so we're not going to be meeting groups for 2 hours. So it'll be flexible enough, okay? Look at the notes over here. I'm going to add it actually assessment. I'm just put quiz. The quiz and notes will be linked right here. So if there's other things I want to share with you for this lesson, basically if there's not a quiz here, or if my first quiz is in this box here, it just means that the quiz is for all the sections that are prior to it since the last quiz. All right. So that's the setup here. We got about 20 minutes till the Zoom meeting starts. Let's see. Anything else? You guys know my YouTube channel. This is where I'm going to save everything. You can look at everything. Check out everything on the YouTube channel. But the main thing here is, if you get lost, just go back to Edmodo, because every day I'll have those links and I'll have everything set up for you. All right. Rogue, come here. I want to show you my pooch. Get up here. Get up here. No, other side. Over here. Oh, yeah. You want to come up here? No, come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. This is Rogue, cutest mini Aussie ever. And say hi, Rogue. Hi. All right. That's her voice. Don't make fun of it. She's sensitive. All right. So if you want to see more of Rogue, you can come to the Zoom meeting. That's going to start in 20 minutes. All right. Hope you guys are well. See you later.